Got a Gmail inbox that's starting to feel like a digital black hole? Thousands of unread messages, promos, and spam eating up your storage? Don't worry, GadInsider's got you covered. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to mass delete emails in Gmail like a pro. Stick around and let's clean that inbox. Hey tech fam, welcome back to GadInsider for tech tips and tricks. Today we're diving into a lifesaver, how to delete emails in bulk in Gmail. Whether it's spam, old promos, or giant attachments, we'll clear that clutter fast. Let's get started. Your Gmail inbox can feel like an endless scroll of chaos, and unlike the black holes Neil deGrasse Tyson talks about, this can be tamed. But if you don't act, you'll hit that dreaded running out of storage warning. No one wants to pay for that extra space, but you can just delete what's not essential. So let's learn how to mass delete emails in just a few clicks. First up, the simplest way to delete emails in bulk: log into your Gmail account and open your inbox. See that square checkbox at the top? Click it to select all visible emails on that page, usually 50 or 100 depending on your settings. A blue notification pops up asking if you want to select all conversations in the box. Click it. Now hit the trash can icon in the toolbar. Confirm, and boom, those emails are gone. Want to get picky? Gmail lets you mass delete emails by category, label, sender, date, or even size. Here's how. By category, on the left sidebar, click Categories and pick one, like social or promotions. Select all, delete, and done. By label, scroll to Labels, choose one, and clear it out. By sender, click the search bar, hit the filter icon, type the sender's email in the From box, search, and delete. By date, use the filter to pick a date range, search, and wipe them out. By size, got huge attachments? Filter by size, like emails over 5 MB, and delete those space hogs. Before you go, here's a pro tip. Set up filters to auto-delete certain emails in the future. It's like hiring a digital janitor. And don't forget, clearing your inbox isn't just about space, it's about peace of mind. If this helped you tame your inbox, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech hacks.